take a look at question 32. For this problem, we need to find a line that runs perfectly perpendicular to a given line, line A. Now in geometry, lines have precise relationships dictated entirely by their steepness. Today's challenge is to identify the equation of a line perpendicular to line A from the provided options. Before we start on any equation, let's establish the fundamental law of perpendicular lines, the rule of negative reciprocals. If two lines are parallel, they share the exact same slope. But if they are perpendicular, their slopes are complete opposites in two distinct ways. Well, first, they flip upside down, and that's the reciprocal part. Second, their signs change. If one is positive, the other must be negative. And if you multiply the slopes of two perpendicular lines together, the result will always be exactly -1. Now let's look at the equation where we are given line A. Now here's the major trap for this problem. It is tempting to just look at the number in front of x or y and guess the slope. But this equation is written in standard form, not slope-intercept form. So to safely find our slope, we must first isolate y and convert it into y equal mx plus b. Now, if you take a look at your equation, there is a negative x beside your y. So to isolate the y, we need to do the inverse, which is to add x. And whatever we do to one side, we are going to do it to the other side as well. So if we add x to the left side to isolate our 3y, we have to add x to the right side. So now we have x plus 9. 3y is equal to x plus 9. Okay? Now there's still a 3 beside our y. So we're not finished isolating the y. Now to get rid of that 3, we need to do the inverse, which is to divide by y. And whatever we do to one side, we need to do it to the next as well. So if we're dividing that 3y by 3 to isolate the y, we need to divide the left side by 3 as well. And that leaves us with y is equal to 1/3 x plus 3. Now you can see the slope. Our slope is exactly 1/3, and 1/3 is 33/100. Now with our starting slope of 1/3 locked in, let's calculate our target perpendicular slope using our negative reciprocal rule. First, we take the fraction and flip it upside down. That gives us 3/1, or simply 3. Second, we change the sign. Since our original slope was positive, our new slope must become negative. Putting those two steps together gives us our target slope, -3. Now, any line perpendicular to line A must have a slope of exactly -3, regardless of what its y-intercept happens to be. Let's look at our choices to find our geometric match. For option A, y is equal to 3x plus 1 gives us a slope of +3. This is just the reciprocal, missing the negative sign entirely. For option C, y is equal to 33/100 x plus 2. This has a slope of 1/3. This line is this line is parallel to line A, not perpendicular. So option D, y is equal to -33/100 x plus 5 gives us a negative slope, but it fails to flip the fraction. That leaves us with option B, y is equal to -3x plus 4. It perfectly hit our target slope of -3. So, in conclusion, the key to solving any perpendicular line problem is a clean two-step strategy. Rearrange the original equation to uncover the true starting slope, and then apply the negative reciprocal flip.